Mike from Superbee, and today I want to introduce you to our star-fangled nut installation tools. For 1 inch and 1 1/8 inch, we have the TB-1130, and for 1 1/2 inches, we have the TB-1131. To use the TB-1130, first, take your star-fangled nut, screw it into the tool, and then insert it into the handle. Right now, it's set up to work with a 1 1/8 inch steer tube. If I use this adapter, it will now work with 1 inch. To use the TB-1131, same deal. Screw in the star-fangled nut, insert it into the handle, and it's ready to go. All right, next we're going to identify the steer tube. So we have an aluminum alloy 1 1/8 inch steer tube. Be careful, do not use a star-fangled nut with a carbon steer tube. I saw it at my shop a few months ago and it was frightening. All right, so for this steer tube, we're gonna wanna use the TB-1130, and we wanna remove the 1 inch adapter. Place it on top of the steer tube. Get ready to hammer. All right, the hammering is now finished, so we're going to take a look. If you can see here, we have a nice even line. It shows that the star-fangled nut has gone in nice and straight. We'll remove this. Put your tool away. And as you see here, the depth of the star-fangled nut is correct. So if you need to install a star-fangled nut into an alloy steer tube, the TB-1130 or the TB-1131 is an excellent choice.